Hi everyone, my name is Alex. Today I'm going to be trying the olehenriksen Apres Skin Multi-Use Rescue Cream. This product retails for $48. This claims to be a richer moisturizer and more moisturizing overnight sleeping mask. So when going into using this product, I am going to be using it just at night. But if I feel like I can use it during the day or use it in spots, I'm going to be doing different things with this product just based off how it feels. This is a little bit more of a rich moisturizer from what I'm seeing on paper. I'm excited to see what I notice with this new launch. Olehenriksen's moisturizers have been hit or miss. I liked their peptide moisturizer. I wasn't a huge fan of their vitamin C moisturizer, and they do sadly use fragrance in most all of their formulas, but it's been hit or miss with me whether I like it or not. This product is vegan, cruelty-free, alcohol-free, and comes in recyclable packaging. They do use fragrance in this product, so if you are sensitive to that, then definitely avoid it. Looking over the ingredients of this product, they do use some more richer butters and also oils. So as someone who is acne prone, I get a little bit nervous going into reviews like this. I'm not sure if this product will break me out, but that will be the big thing that I'm looking for. I also want to see what finish it leaves. How do I feel like it's best to use this? Do I feel like it's just best to use this overnight, or do I like using this as a daytime treatment as well? I also want to see how nourishing it is for the skin. As for anything else, I'll be continuing to check in. So I will see you all in the next check-in. I'm here to give you all a quick check-in and also my first impression with this product. It is the daytime right now. They recommend using this as a moisturizer or a night cream mask, but I did actually look on their website and they recommend using it in both day and night. So I will just be curious how it feels. The reason why I wanted to try it specifically right now is because I am so dry. In the winter, I am notorious for getting dry in my drier areas, and so I'm really excited to see how this product performs. So this does have a slight purple tint to it, and I'm not sure if it will be, it's not looking like it will do any color correcting, but it does feel really nice. It feels very silky going on the skin. I don't know if you can see that, but it does give a nice glow. I was worried about this product being a little bit too heavy, because when a product says moisturizer slash mask, it kind of makes me think this may be something that will be heavier or feel heavier on the skin, and it may just be better for me to use it at night. But also, as someone who's acne prone, I get very nervous by that too, because even though I'm not sure if there's anything in this that will cause acne, I am still just going to be careful of that. Oh wow, I also forgot this has fragrance. I forgot which brand we were trying out today. Oh, pretty intense fragrance, but it does feel nice going on the skin. It did provide that instant moisturization to this part of my face that I was hoping it would, but oh, grease. This is greasy. Oh wow. Okay, so it feels extremely heavy on the skin, which is kind of what I expected. Okay, that's interesting. I don't know if you can see, it leaves a very tacky, like greasy finish to the skin. It almost feels like when you'd apply a sunscreen and it would just leave your face feeling so greasy, which I'm not sure. I know some people with really dry skin may need something like this, and that may be what it's best for, but like my face is greasy to the touch. Now that may get better, so I am gonna wait that out. But so far, I'm not liking how it feels instantly. It does provide a slight nourishment, but mostly just greasy. Like, ugh. This is also the type of product that I'm gonna see if it transfers or see if I notice anything with that. It did provide an instant soothing benefit to this area. It just feels really greasy and kind of gross on the skin at first. Hopefully that will get better. I'm going to keep you all posted with this product and let you know, and then I'll check in again. I'm back to give you all my final thoughts on this product. I have one word to describe it, and that is greasy. This is such a thick, such a heavy, greasy moisturizer moisturizer, and I hated the finish that it left on my skin. It was one of those things that did transfer. The best comparison I can have is like when you're wearing a sunscreen in the summer, you're really sweaty, and you put your phone up to your ear and you pick it up and there's just grease all over it. That is how my skin was left feeling with this product. After using it the first time, I noticed it, and also after using it more continuously, even overnight, I woke up and my skin was still greasy. I feel like really dry skin may enjoy that aspect of it, but another issue that I had with this product was I noticed that it was breaking me out and causing little zits around the areas that I usually look out for when I am trying out a new moisturizer, which is mostly around my cheeks and my forehead. I noticed that within the first 3 days of using it, and so I had to discontinue use of this product when I started noticing that to be true, which I was already suspicious of it. When products have this heavy of a finish, it's usually an indication that it will cause acne. I have been proven wrong with that before, but sadly that was not the case with this product. Another issue that I had with it was the fragrance. I don't understand why olehenriksen continues to use fragrance in their formulas. The only time I've really excused it was when they used it in their peptide moisturizer. I was a huge fan of that product and I would recommend going for that over this because first of all, it didn't cause any acne with me. I'm not sure the acne is going to be a universal experience because everyone's acne prone skin is different. However, finish wise, everything about this product I was just not the biggest fan of. I felt like the nourishment that it was supposed to deliver to my skin was not happening, especially considering how greasy it was. Just honestly felt like it sat on top of my skin and didn't really do much for me. So with that being said, I really wouldn't recommend this moisturizer. The fragrance, the acne, and the finish was just everything I don't look for in a moisturizer and something I don't really enjoy. And so I would honestly not invest my money in this. They advertise this product as a really rich moisturizer, and the one I would recommend over this is the Naturium Multipeptide Rich Cream. That's just one off the top of my head. I've tried out so many richer moisturizers that have worked for me. That one has a little bit more of a balmy, instant relief type of feel to it, but also does leave a slight finish where I feel like dry skin would get the nourishment it needs out of it. And that's the Currant one that I'm loving right now. So it's my top recommendation as an alternative to this product, and it didn't personally cause any acne or break me out. So that is what I would recommend going for, but I just wasn't a fan of this moisturizer, so I would not ultimately recommend it. But anyway, thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it and you want to see more like this, make sure you subscribe because I post new videos every week, and I will see you all in the next review.